What Mr. Bhutto says, he says our religion is Islam, our economics is socialism, and our political system is democracy. Now, I suppose any sensible person could see that all these three things could not coexist. If you want to have democracy like the secular democracy in Europe, you can have that. If you want to have the proletariat dictatorship as in China and Russia, you could have socialism. And if you want to have Islam, you must have Islam in toto, because Islam has its own economic system, its own political system, and its own religious traditions. And I suppose that if we are diverted from Islam in toto, then ultimately Pakistan may have to join India. I mean, if we deceive and go back from the words of establishing Islam as a system, as an economic, political, social, and cultural system, then there will be no justification of for the creation of Pakistan.